Friends, I welcome you all to the Acid Rains video lecture. This is D. Rajashekhar, your lecturer, Department of Botany, Katta Ramakodeswara Government Degree College, Addanki, Bapatla District. Students, you're all well aware of acid rains and their ramifications. In this video, you're going to learn in-depth knowledge or in-depth teaching of acid rains. Actually, you all know that acid rain is the precipitation of acid that are present in the atmosphere in the form of rain. So these atmospheric harmful nitrogen sulfur oxides find their way onto the earth by means of rains. This is called acid rain. The disproportionate levels of sulfur and nitrogen emitted by vehicles, manufacturing process, and other industrial processes cause acid rains. Actually, acid deposition on the earth can be done in two ways. One is a wet method and another one is dry method. If these sulfur and nitrogen oxides reach the earth in the form of rain, that is called wet type or wet method, and the second one is a dry method. By this method, actually reach these harmful nitrogen or sulfur oxides along with the heavy winds, dust particles, etc. This is called dry method, even by smoke also. Sulfur and nitrogen particles which get mixed with water are found in two ways, either man-made or by natural way. By man-made process, these particles reach the earth by the anthropogenic causes like smoke, industrial processes, manufacturing processes, vehicle emissions, like that. By natural ways, also they can reach the earth by lightning strikes. Similarly, atmospheric releasing of nitrogen oxides and volcanic eruptions release them and make them to be settled on the earth. First, the word acid rain was coined by Scottish chemist Robert Angus Smith in 1852. Smith used the term while studying rainwater chemistry and industrial towns. Of course, we can even find out certain chemicals in the normal rains because the rainwater is combined with atmospheric carbon dioxide and form weak carbonic acid, which is not at all very much harmful to the environment. The reaction can be shown like this: H2O plus CO2 gives H2CO3. The regular rainwater is acidic in nature. The oxides of nitrogen and sulfur react with the water, resulting in the formation of sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. These are very harmful to the environment. What are the effects of acid rains? Acid rains affect agriculture by altering the composition of the soil and leaching out all the nutrients. Actually, when nutrients are available in the soil, all the required nutrients, plants absorb them properly and carry out all their metabolic activities so that we can expect a good yielding from them. When the nutrients are leached out from the earth or they are bounded with the complex chemicals, what would happen? The soil will become depleted of all these important nutrients so that they are not at all available for the plant growth and development. That is how we will get a reduced yieldings. This is because of acid rains. And in animals and human beings, they cause respiratory tract infections and other type of issues. When acid rains flow into the rivers and nearby water bodies. They alter the food chains, food webs, and the whole aquatic ecosystem. They will cause a lot of imbalance among different tropical levels. That leads to the deterioration of ecosystem. It also causes the corrosion of water pipes and further leaching of heavy metals into the drinking water. Consumption of such water may also lead some other harmful ailments. It also damages the buildings and monuments made up of marble stones and metals. We all know that Taj Mahal is a great monument of our country, and it has been placed in the top 7 wonders in the world. Unfortunately, because of acid rains in the nearby places, the calcium carbonate reacts with the sulfuric acid present in the rains and forms calcium sulfate, and thus it is getting deteriorated its beauty, and it has been lost its good look. Precautions. After knowing about acid rains, the very definition of acid rain, and the causes of acid rains, harmful effects of acid rains, what we all can do together and individually. We must check out the nitrogen and sulfur emissions. We must use vehicles in a very controlled manner. Unless and until the work we are doing is unimportant, we should not take the help of vehicles. Go on foot if it is a nearby place, if it is a simple work. So, judicious use of vehicles can control the emissions of nitrogen as well as sulfur. Conducting awareness programs on acid rains and their ramifications, because I don't think everybody knows about acid rains and their ramifications. By organizing awareness programs by industrial experts as well as educational organizations, we can bring awareness among the public, and so that we can put a full stop to this global environmental issue. Every individual should adapt an eco-friendly attitude in every aspect of life. Government should also frame stringent laws for industries as well as vehicle emissions. Then only we can overcome this very problem. So students, I hope we have well understood this environmental problem, that is acid rains. Soon I will meet you all with another video lecture, that is ocean acidification. Thank you.